All right, Model Rocks 321 here. This should be the final launch of the SR-71 Blackbird Project X. Got a few other rockets to launch too, but hopefully, fingers crossed, success out of this. The two engines are in, they're in nice and secure. The parachute is packed perfectly. So we are about to launch in a few minutes. And I have a couple other rockets we're gonna be flying today too. I'll show you those right now. Estes Strike Fighter. This is a 1989 kit, came out new in 89. This is a recent eBay find, so I grabbed it. It was already built, kind of nice. I like the paint, it's kind of crackly, kind of worn, old. So I grabbed that, and I'm gonna be flying my DCY. Got the DCY right there, and I have some C5-3 engines for that. And I'm gonna also, if everything goes well, I'll put a C5-3 inside of the Strike Fighter also. So that's the plan for today. Let's go and get this launch pad loaded. SR-71 coming up. All right, ready to go. Do it. Model Rocks 321. Go. Countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There we go. Parachute, parachute. Still, come on. 5 seconds. Did it rip? Oh, we got it. Everything's attached. Got it. Success, finally. As long as it don't come down in the trees, we're good. The SR-71 Blackbird is a success. It worked. So there we go. Coming down kind of fast, that small chute, but finally, after many, many launches, many crashes, 2 C6-5 engines, it worked. Yeah, finally, God. I mean, this project has been for some years. I mean, many crashes. There we go. Both engines lit, piston worked, pushed out the parachute. Parachute looked good. Here's the piston. Oh, that worked perfectly. That was great. Here's the piston. Perfect. SR-71, both engines lit on time. Yeah, that was a success, finally. Project X. So yeah, everything held up together. So that rebuild, everything worked. So 2 engines. The rear ejection, it was just traveling too fast. That 5-second delay seemed perfect. So yeah, I'm super happy right now, because this was gonna be the last flight. This was gonna be the last flight. This is a great day. Super happy. Yeah. Did you see that? Got it. Finally. So yeah, as you can see, I am happy. It finally worked. SR-71 Blackbird Project X. Not rear ejection, but forward ejection, 2 C6-5. It worked. And that's Marcy. Yeah, perfect. All right, so next up I have the DCY Clipper. I'm gonna be launching that. I love this rocket, finless, no fins, but it got that shape, so it makes it all work. I'm gonna put a C5-3 in there, more powerful than a C6-3, so it should be a nice flight. So let's go. All right, all loaded up. That was crazy. A C5-3, I mean, it hit the ground hard and like nothing really didn't happen, but the engine didn't. That was a nice boost. Man, Estes, man, I'm gonna see if it fired. I don't even think it had an ejection charge, like no damage. All right, guys, so I just launched the DCY on this C5-3 engine. It turned over and hit the ground. Now, once I got to the rocket and I looked at the engine, the injection charge did not fire. So I will be contacting Estes. You can see here, it lit, it launched, it turned over and it hit the ground. But luckily there wasn't too much damage. Like it did push the tube in some, and there was a crack on the bottom of this rocket right here. And you can see the scars from it hitting the ground. So luckily it didn't do too bad, but that's kind of strange that no ejection charge fired on the Super C, the C5-3 engine. These are kind of rare. I think they brought them back a little while ago. It's a nice launch, really powerful, kind of flies like seemed like a depowered C engine. But I don't know, so I'm going to send Estes the information on this and let them know that I had a motor malfunction on the C5-3. There was no ejection charge. As you can see here, it burned. And you can see there, it did not launch. Right, Marcy?
Right.
It hit the ground, right?
Mm-hmm. Did hit the ground, but we don't know what happened.
We don't know what happened. There you go. There you go. You heard it here first. All right, so next up, we have the Estes Strike Fighter already on the pad, ready to go. Cool rocket. I have a B64 in there. Just a B engine, nothing too high. And if this goes well, I may put a C6-3 in there or C6-5. So here we go. Just letting the plane clear. Always let the planes clear, folks. All right, so here we go. Woo, there we go. Parachute right above us. Real nice. Real nice. Everything's intact. It's good to be back to having good launches. Watch out, Marcy. Woo, good catch. First catch of the year. I used to catch all the time, but I stopped. Now I got one today. So there we go. Everything went well with that launch. Perfect. That was on the B64. B64 is a nice motor. So there we go. The Strike Fighter on the B64. And applaud. There we go. Yeah, that was pretty nice. That was pretty nice. So we're going to try the DCY one more time on a different engine. I'm scared of that C5-3 now. I will be talking to Estes about that. But the Estes Strike Fighter flew well, and that B44 engine went well. So there we go. All right, here we go. Countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Woo, there goes C6-5 engine. Parachute where you at. 5 seconds is a long time. There we go. It's a long time sometimes, that 5 seconds. Yeah, definitely higher than the B64. Nice flight. Another perfect flight, actually. Coming down nice and slow. Oh, some big bushes out here now. And touchdown, and it stuck the landing. It stood right up. This is a good day out here, guys. This is a good day out here. Look at that landing. Stuck the landing. I'll take it. Strike Fighter. Stuck the landing. Check it out. On a C6-5, stuck the landing. See that parachute right there? That's from my old SR-71 Blackbird, my old one. So there we go. That's perfection right there. I'll take it. And there you have it, folks. Model Rockets 321 here. A great day out here flying. Other than the C5-3 engine not ejecting, today was a perfect day. SR-71 Blackbird Project X. Because it was done, but it came to a nice closing. I got it to work finally. And we are heading back to the drawing board. We got some builds coming up. Got some more videos coming up. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Say it one more time, like, share, and subscribe. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Peace.